Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming admin access and device firmware so nothing blocks enrollment. Once done, clean your finger and the sensor with 70% isopropyl to ensure clear reads. Next, open the enrollment app and choose Add User. Enter the user ID and roll before scanning. Position the finger flat and steady at the center of the sensor. Hold until the device confirms capture. This first capture sets the template quality, so take your time and repeat scans if prompted. Once initial captures are saved, you should collect multiple angles to build a resilient template. Scan 3 to 5 positions, including edges. Make sure to adjust the quality threshold to around 40 to 60% based on your environment. Lower reduces false rejects, higher tightens security. Also enable anti-spoof or liveness checks and sync the user database and device time to the central server so logs match. Finally, run a quick verification test to confirm matching behavior. You finish by running verification and daily clock-in tests for each enrolled user to catch mismatches early. Once satisfied, backup templates to the secure server and schedule re-enrollment yearly to account for wear or skin changes. If a user fails to authenticate, first clean the sensor and re-enroll that finger. Make sure their finger is dry and positioned correctly. If problems persist, check network connectivity and firmware version. Updating firmware often resolves subtle matching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.